welcome back to my channel. My name's Antonnette if you are new here. Today I've partnered with CVS to show you my cozy evening routine for fall. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite times of year to create content, so I hope you guys enjoy this super cozy, super vibey video. We're starting out my evening routine, headed out to the grocery store. As you can see, it's broad daylight out still. It's 5 p.m. This is when my evening starts. I'm about to head to the grocery store and get some ingredients to make one of my favorite pastas I've been eating lately. I've been making the most delicious spicy rigatoni pasta with a little side Caesar salad. And I'm also gonna make a fun fall dessert that I've been craving and I can't wait to eat it, and put some flowers out together and just have a super cozy evening. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Got home from the store, went and ran some errands, got some ingredients I need for this pasta I'm gonna make. I'm so excited and hungry. Also stopped by CVS and got some new skincare. I had no idea that CVS sold Curology. You used to have to get this online and order it, so I'm so excited that they have Curology stuff. So I picked up this gentle cleanser. Usually use this like really harsh foaming acne cleanser that I've shown you guys dozens of times, so I wanted to get something in between because I can't use that one every day, especially in the fall and winter. So I wanted to pick up this one by Curology. It's called Gentle Cleanser Lightly Foaming Face Wash. I'm excited to try this. I'm actually gonna wash off my makeup in a second. And then I also really needed a liquid exfoliant. If you guys watched my last vlog that I posted, you'll see that I was talking about top things you need for skincare if you're just getting started, and I told you guys liquid exfoliant is definitely on your top 3 list. This one is liquid pore exfoliant, 2% BHA, 8% AHA, and PHA, and 1% zinc. So I like to put this on a little cotton round after I've washed all of my makeup off. This on a cotton round and just go over everything for a second time. You'd be surprised what's left over to keep your skin nice and exfoliated and free of dead skin, so your serum and other skincare products can penetrate better. And then I had to get this as well. I saw that they have Curology emergency spot patches, basically like a pimple patch. I've seen my friends use these all the time, so I had to pick these up. I've never used them. I always talk about the breakouts I get on my chin, especially when I've been working out. So I cannot wait to try this little pimple patch and see how it works. Let's try it now because I'm actually gonna wash off my makeup soon, but I kind of want to open these and see what they look like. They're supposed to be worn like out and about, you know, when you have to like put makeup on, and instead of having your acne show, you just put a little pimple patch. So I have like a little, let's see, a live demonstration. This is how they look. They're just these little clear pimple patches. Really small and tiny. You could probably put makeup over it if you really wanted. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. You can barely see that. I'm gonna keep it on for the duration of this haul. You can't even see that. That's actually insane. Fast acting support for sudden breakouts. What does it have in it? We've got emergencies covered with a low profile hydrocolloid patch that absorbs pus and oil. Fast acting healing support whenever, wherever. So it heals the acne while it covers it. I think it's brilliant. I don't know where I've been, living under a rock apparently. I should have been on this trend. So I'm excited to have these actually because Lord knows I have plenty of breakouts to cover. That is what I got from Curology. You guys have to check out Curology at CVS. You can literally buy it online on the CVS app and pick up in store without ever having to even go in the store. So super easy. I also picked up a couple other of my favorite things. I've been loving this L'Oreal Moisture 21-in-1 spray. I had to pick up another. It's very rare that I actually go through a whole product and then go and buy a second one. So if I do, you know, I really liked it. This smells so incredible. It makes my hair smell so good, but it also is great for my silky rod style because I like to spray a little of this to make my hair damp and then put it up in a little silky rod, and it comes out so pretty in the morning. So I love her. And then I also found this I thought was really interesting, this L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. This was giving me like hairspray for your makeup. So, you know, I love L'Oreal hairspray, so I thought that L'Oreal makeup setting spray would work great. I need my makeup to last longer, you know? And then last but not least, I also got one of my favorite bath products because I have never taken a bath in the loft. It has a relaxing lavender scent, so it kind of puts you in a more relaxed, sleepy mood. So maybe I'll take a bath tonight. Since it's getting colder out, I really want to start taking baths again, so I picked up some bubble bath. So if you want to get your hands on some of the CVS products for fall especially, they have so many great things for Halloween: candy, decorations, yummy fall treats, really good skincare, all types of really good stuff. So definitely check out the link in the description box. Don't forget you can save big, like hundreds of dollars with your Extra Care savings card. The Extra Care membership is a free rewards program. I have one and I've saved like $500 just this year alone. It actually keeps track of how much you save throughout the year. So you can save really big with your Extra Care savings membership. Also, you can buy online and pick up in store without ever having to go in the store. Super convenient. Definitely check out the link in the description box. Huge thank you to CVS for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm so starving. I'm going to quickly wash off my makeup with my new Curology products. I'm gonna actually do some skincare really quickly. I'm gonna wash off my makeup before we start cooking and then hop in a quick bath, a nice relaxing bath, maybe pour a glass of wine, and then we will get cooking together. I'm starting off by washing my makeup off with the cleanser I just showed you in today's haul. The first thing I noticed about this cleanser is that it broke down my makeup really well. Usually when I use a gentle cleanser, it doesn't quite get my makeup off as well, but this one actually got really foamy. So I really like it as my in-between cleanser. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid exfoliant and wipe off my makeup with these giant cotton rounds I also got from CVS. I love using a fresh, clean cotton round to wipe off the excess dirt off my face as opposed to a washcloth. And as you'll see in a second, all of the leftover dirt that is on my face still that I would have left if I didn't use the extra cotton round. So I'm obsessed with these cotton rounds. I just finished my skincare with my favorite serum and moisturizer and call it a day for my skin. I'm also gonna brush my hair. This is something I just started doing in my routine, which is brushing my hair every single night. It's great for hair growth, keeps all the tangles out. Very self-explanatory. I'm going to take a quick bath with my favorite bubble bath, and that is it for the skincare for the evening. And then I'm going to go ahead and put out some flowers. Love these color lilies because they just are so cute for fall. I've never actually seen lilies in this apricot color and I love them. They just are so chic. This is such a good color for my loft and it goes well with fall. So I'm going to put out my favorite lilies before I start making dinner. As I mentioned, I've been obsessed with this spicy rigatoni pasta. It's basically like a vodka pasta with a Caesar salad. The Caesar salad is so easy to make. It's just romaine with a bit of Parmesan and croutons. I like mine super simple. If you want a really good Caesar dressing, grab the Ken's brand from your local grocery store. Very inexpensive and is one of the best grocery store Caesars I've tried. So I'm gonna make my Caesar salad and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my pasta. I like using these really thick rigatoni noodles. I know all the girls love rigatoni noodles. Use whatever noodles you like. I just love how large and fat these get. There's something very satisfying about eating these. I'm adding in some of my favorite marinara sauce and then I'm gonna let that simmer. For dessert, I'm making these apple puff pastry rings. These are super easy to make, but a little bit time consuming, hence why I don't bake very often because I haven't the patience, but I really wanted to try something new. So these were really easy. You just take some apples, slice them, and cut out the middle somehow. You turn them into these little rings. And then I just took pastry dough. I think these were croissants, and you lay them out and then just cut them and twist the dough around the apple ring. You can make your own dough if you're feeling adventurous, or you can just be like me and buy the croissant dough from the can. It's so easy, and this took 15 minutes to make. All you do is wrap the dough around the ring. And then I'm gonna paint some butter on both sides, the bottom to prevent the stick, and then the top to give the croissant a nice brown color. And then I'm also going to dust it with some sugar and cinnamon on top. And I think I baked these for about 17-18 minutes, so make sure you check on them so they don't burn. But these turned out so incredibly delicious. The apple was nice and soft on the inside. It was basically like a little mini apple pie. Delicious and easy, and took no more than 20 minutes to make. And here's how dinner turned out. It was so delicious. I, for some reason, forgot to show you the salad and pasta together, but I love enjoying a nice dinner at my dining table at the end of each day, watching one of my favorite shows. Right now, I'm watching Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. Have you guys seen that? It's on Hulu. It's actually really good. Super interesting seeing people your age live a completely different lifestyle. Highly recommend watching it. It's a good watch if you like reality TV. To finish off the pastry rings, I take them out of the oven after about 16-17 minutes, and then I'm dusting on some white powdered sugar. Only thing missing here is a bit of caramel drizzle. Would have made these phenomenal, so don't forget the caramel. Either way, it was so good. I actually paired mine with ice cream and they were delicious. Several hours later, I wanted to show you guys my favorite show at the moment. I've been watching lots of Hulu lately. Hulu's been stepping up their game. I've been watching this show called Reasonable Doubt. It is so good. This is like my nighttime show. I never watch this during the day. I watch this right before bed and I binge a few episodes. This is a very, very good show. So I highly recommend if you're into these type of twisty, turny murder mystery involved. Love it. So I enjoy some of my dessert while I binge a couple shows, and then I'm getting into bed. I usually will doom scroll for a couple hours before I fall asleep. Sometimes I just fall right to sleep. Sometimes I journal. Each night is a little bit different. Tonight, Zoe joined me, which is very rare. So when she does, I kind of let her stay because she's not very cuddly. So I'm like, oh my God, you want to cuddle with me? I love her. We get tucked in and we go to bed, and that is it for my evening routine. Not that different from the ones you've seen, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Definitely leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.